Lazio was once the center of the Roman Empire. And there you'll find cosmopolitan Rome and the Vatican City. But in the pristine countryside, life is a little simpler. And this guanciale is the cured jowl of pork. And it, along with pancetta, are used very similarly in Italian cooking. There's no oil in the pan right now, so the heat is gently rendering down that lovely, luscious fat between the layers of the meat. So this will take some time, and it's just a case of giving it a stir every once in a while. In the meantime, on to my other aromatics. Celery, garlic, and onion. In French, it's called mirepoix. In Italian, soffritto. It adds depth of flavor to any simmering dish. A good hot chili, finely minced, adds just the perfect amount of heat to the dish. This lightly fried in the bottom of the pan, soaking up all that luscious, rich, rendered down fat, is the base to this amazing soup. This is a fresh fava bean, and fava beans are a favorite in Lazio. This is what they look like when they're fresh. A simple boil, toss in butter, mash with a fork, they're good to eat. In go all the beans, along with the tomatoes. Fresh or canned, whatever you've got. All moistened down with a lovely drop of light chicken broth. And now my scaffata just needs time to come up to a gentle simmer and allow all the flavors to come together. One of the last ingredients to add to the soup is a good amount of Swiss chard, or whatever you have. And the reason I'm adding it late in the cooking is so that it doesn't turn color. It'll keep that wonderful, vibrant green, have lots of great taste, and add wonderful texture. Into the soup they go. And they will just melt down within minutes. Another great flavoring for this soup is mint. And Romans love their mint. They love it on vegetables, they'll toss it in salads, they'll even have it with tomatoes. And it adds a wonderful, fragrant pop of flavor that is unmistakable. And you can't possibly have a soup like this without a good piece of crunchy, crusty, toasted hearty bread. Just a good old rub with a freshly cut clove of garlic, just to get the aromatics, nothing overpowering, just subtle background flavors of freshly cut garlic. A good drizzle of olive oil. This is a soup that is the pride of Lazio, scaffata. And these fava beans, as it pops in my mouth, it adds a little creamy texture. The richness of guanciale, the sweet sort of savory meatiness, is absolutely wonderful. It's nothing complicated. It's just taken years and years and years to perfect.